This morning I'm digging potatoes. So if you remember, my potato beds were kind of decimated by those beetles. But I'm digging today because it's time to do that. September 2nd, it's time to dig up potatoes. So I've been pleasantly surprised. If you see those potatoes, that 5-gallon bucket, that's just from this area here. Like 4 foot by, I don't know, less than 2 feet. It's not, I'm just kind of surprised that, see, some of the potatoes are a little funky feeling, and I get rid of those, but, ooh, that's a nice one. Another nice, oh, that one has a hole in it. I don't know if I could dig that out later or not. Probably. So as long as they feel like, some of these have problems, but some of them don't. And I think I just have to try to be positive and say, like, okay, you win some, you lose some. I don't know what these marks are. I wonder if these are from the bugs getting at them. People who are a little bit better at gardening than me, that's just a big old piece of clay. Maybe you can tell me what those brown marks are. Though this one's still kind of alive. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave it in there, maybe. But I'm just gonna keep digging and see what I come up with. Now that one, this one, has been exposed to the sun, and we don't want anything to do with that potato. So that gets thrown out. So I'm gonna keep going and see how many potatoes I come up with out of this bed. If I can make it through this horrible heat, we'll see. We're gonna see what we have in this potato bed. I didn't plant as many over here in this bed as I did in the other one. Oh, that's mush. Yeah, that's eaten by something. Seems to, oh, does that have a hole in it? I don't know if that one's okay or not. Ooh, that's pretty. A tiny, teeny baby one. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me digging through dirt to find potatoes. So I'm gonna go through and dig through this bed and see what I can find and show you the results in a few minutes. Literally, that's it. I don't even know if those potatoes are edible. They're so weird looking, like nodules. Yeah. Out of all the purple potatoes I planted, that's all I got. I call that a fail. I left a bunch of teeny tiny little potatoes in there for next season, and maybe they'll just grow. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's the pretty sad potato harvest. I mean, at least I got some, right? Gotta look at the positive.